Hello everyone, in this new DAX video we will see the CONTAINSROW function and how to use it. So let's see how it works. Let's start by defining the function and seeing its syntax. The function verifies if a row of values exists or contained in a table. The syntax is CONTAINSROW. Table is any valid DAX expression that returns a table of data. Value is any valid DAX expression that returns a scalar value. The function returns true if there exists at least one row where all columns have specified values. Let's now see some examples. First, we want to create a measure that calculates the sales amount for the computers and audio product categories. So let's add a new measure. We use calculate function and then change the context of filter using CONTAINSROW. Let's define a table with two values, computers and audio. Then we'll add the value argument, which is the product category column. And now let's see the result. Good. As you can see, we have the sales amount for the computers and audio product categories. Note that the in operator and CONTAINSROW function are functionally equivalent. For the second example, we want to create a measure that calculates the sales amount for other product categories. I mean all categories except computers and audio. So let's copy paste the first measure we created to a new measure. Let's rename it. Instead of adding all categories one by one in the table arguments, we can simply add not before CONTAINSROW function. And just like that, we get the result. So let's check it now. As you can see, we have the result for other categories. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos from DIY. See you in the next video.